Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian 12.7 on VirtualBox. First go to Debian official website and download it. Debian.org is the official website for Debian. Then see here we have the option to download, but don't click on download, click on other downloads, click on download mirrors, scroll up. See here we have the CD USB or DVD USB. Select AMD 64 or i386 based on your CPU. Okay, so mine is AMD 64, so select AMD, scroll down, then select here Debian 12.7 DVD ISO and its size is 3.7 gigabytes. Click on this ISO file. Once we click on download starts. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 3.7. See, I have already downloaded DVD ISO for the Debian 12.7. So I am cancelling this one. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you want to install Oracle VM VirtualBox on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Start search for VirtualBox. See, I have already installed Oracle VM VirtualBox. Open it. See, these are the virtual machines available on my VirtualBox. To create new VirtualBox, you have to click on new or select machine and select new. Both are same. Select new, then provide the name. Name can be anything. Then select the folder where we want to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then new Deb 127. Then select the folder. Select the folder, then select the downloaded ISO image. Click on drop down and select other, then select the downloaded ISO, click on open, then check the checkbox that is skip unattended installation. If you don't select, it will install the automatically without manual input. So select it and click on next. Then provide base memory. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of processors I am giving to, click on next. Hard disk size, that is virtual hard disk size, I am giving 100 gigabytes, then click on next. See, this is the summary of the Debian 12.7 virtual machine. Still, if you want to edit, you have to click on back and you can edit, or click on finish, then right click, select settings, or select the virtual machine from this menu and click on settings, or machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with these settings, then click on start to start the installation of Debian 12 on VirtualBox. Click on start. Use up and down arrows from your keyboard and select the first option, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location. I am going with the location as United States, then click on continue. Select keyboard key map, so I am going with American English, click on continue. Here we have to provide the host name for this system. So I am giving Deb 127. Then click on next. It is up to you. See, if you have an existing domain, you have to provide the domain name. Otherwise, keep blank and click on continue. Now here we have to provide the password for root account. So I am giving. Then click on continue. Now we have to set the new user. So it is up to you. I am giving new user full name as R2Schools. I am going with username also same R2Schools. Click on continue. Then provide the password for this new user. Confirm. Now select the time zone for the clock. So I am going with Eastern. Click on continue. I want to use guided use entire disk for the partition disks. All files in one partition, so click on continue. See, if you are okay with all these settings, so select the second one, that is finish partitioning and write changes to disks. If you want to undo changes, you have to select the first one. I am okay with the settings, so click on finish partitioning and click on continue. Write changes to disks, yes, continue. If you want to scan extra installation media, then select yes, otherwise select no and continue. I don't want to participate, so no. Now we have to select the software selection. By default it is selected desktop environment and genome and standard system utilities. If you want to select XFCE, genome flashback, KDE plasma, cinnamon or met or etc. So you have to select these checkboxes. I am going with KDE plasma. It is up to you. So select them and click on continue. Now select the display manager type. I am going with GDM3. So select the first one, click on continue. See, now it is asking to install the grub loader on your prime drive. Select yes and click on continue. So for grub loader I am going with device and click on continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. Now go to VirtualBox. See here, optical drive is empty, so it is already removed. So no need to remove anything. Just click on continue to reboot. Click on username and provide password. Click on next, 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 skip. See, all done. Start using Debian Linux. Let me maximize it. Okay, now click on activities, then click on show applications, then click on terminal. Now verify more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Debian 12. Q took it from this output. Okay, click on these three horizontal lines, then click on preferences, then unnamed, then select the custom font, then select monospace, then increase the font. Select it, click on close. See, font has been increased and also size of the terminal also got increased. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian 12.7 on VirtualBox. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.